a vast wilderness. Towering peaks, ancient forests, and canyons carved by millennia. This is a place where nature reigns supreme, and the clock of human history seems to slow to a crawl. But these spaces, what we call national parks, are not simply natural accidents. They are deliberate, crafted ideas. They represent one of humanity's most profound and successful experiments in preservation. It is a story that stretches from the rugged American West to every corner of the globe. We often take them for granted, these sanctuaries of nature, as if they have always existed in their protected state. The reality is that the concept of a national park is a relatively young one, born from a unique blend of foresight, political will, and a deep appreciation for the irreplaceable beauty of the natural world. This is the evolution of that idea, how a revolutionary notion of conservation reshaped our relationship with the land and birthed a global movement. To understand the evolution, we must first look to the origin, to a place of unparalleled geothermal wonder: Yellowstone. In 1872, the United States Congress declared this immense tract of land spanning 3 territories. This period, characterized by military rigor and an emerging understanding of ecological needs, was a necessary growing pain that defined the early park experience. The idea quickly spread. Yosemite and Sequoia soon followed. But the next great leap forward came in 1916 with the creation of the National Park Service in the U.S., a dedicated federal agency whose mandate was to conserve the scenery and the natural and historic objects and the wildlife therein, and to provide for the enjoyment of the same in such manner and by such means as will leave them unimpaired for the enjoyment of future generations. This mission statement is an elegant balancing act: preservation and public enjoyment. It is a tension that parks continue to navigate today. Early park management often involved the destruction of perceived pests. We now understand the critical role of apex predators in maintaining ecological balance. Modern park management embraces ecosystem science, focusing on restoring natural processes, controlled burns, and reintroducing native species. The parks also hold immense cultural significance for Indigenous peoples, many of whom were forcibly removed from these lands to create the protected areas. This is a recognition that the land was cared for and managed for thousands of years before the park concept was ever conceived. The true evolution of the national park is not just about environmental protection, but also about social justice and historical correction. The national park system holds many surprising details. Did you know that the U.S. National Park Service manages areas that are technically underwater, designated as national seashores or national marine sanctuaries? Or that one of the smallest national parks, Hot Springs National Park in Arkansas, is older than the National Park Service itself. Having been managed as a reservation by the federal government since 1832, these systems are incredibly diverse, protecting not only megafauna and majestic mountains, but also delicate desert ecosystems and vital wetlands. Even today, national parks face new challenges: climate change, encroaching development,